All right, so when you guys are repairing a toilet, right? So we got right here is a toilet, and we've already got the tank off because this ring right here needs to be replaced. But whenever you take your toilet and everything loose, always remember first, you know, to disconnect your water, drain it out. So go on ahead and flush it first, empty your tank off. You know, we don't have any water in this toilet right here. So all we're gonna do is just take the little bolts and stuff. It's 2 bolts on each side. Right there, and one right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these things loose real quick. All right. Now, the reason why you want to take a toilet loose is I've seen this too many times, right? You got a wax ring down in here that goes in between your toilet and this white thing right here is called a flange, right? So your wax ring is going to go over that. I've seen it too many times where I go into homes where somebody, and the wax ring is literally a $2 thing at Lowe's, might be $3, whatever. Nothing more than $5. But rots a hole out because they didn't have the wax ring in the toilet down here. So $2 wax ring can save you a whole lot of problems. So now what we need to do is just go ahead and get a scraper and get this wax and stuff loose. Now we got that right there. So this is called a Johnny ring or wax ring. Whenever you go into this place, they got different types. This is your cheaper one because it's mostly just the, well, this is the $5 ring. So it's got the rubber seal on it. Don't lose these. And you just set her down in there, like so. Bada bing, bada boom. Fits in there just like that. Now we got that in place. What we gotta do now, if you want to change your bolts out, you can. Sometimes after a while, these bolts and stuff will rust and you might have to replace them. So I'll just do that for the sake of this video right now, even though these bolts are actually pretty good. We're just gonna slide this out. You gotta slide them just like that, because they have like these little T-head kind of things on there. So when you put it in there, you'll put it in there just like that, twist it, and then bring it around just like so. Hopefully you guys can see that. Where's my other one at? Right here. This one. And don't worry, this is not the part of the wax that got dookie on it or pee-pee. So, let's see. Twist out of there, you. All right. Yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we'll just take these off. Those are our washers, so we'll leave that there. And now I'm ready to put my toilet back on. Let's see here. That's lined up. I'm gonna hand tighten this, and then I'll use my wrench later. All right, so here we're gonna go ahead and put our tank back on thing right here. Now, if you're gonna change your Johnny ring out just by itself, you don't need to take the tank off, but this one right here had to have this little rubber washer right here, the seal replaced on this one. So we had to take the tank off and do it. So this one has a little rubber piece right here that goes on this lip. It kind of balances the tank out. And we got our bolts and stuff that are gonna go down here. And you just put these through these little holes in here. And that's what fastens it to the tank. Okay, we got that going. That going. And there we are. Like a glove, like a glove. So when I go ahead and fasten this bad boy on here, so I got my washers, I got my bolt, one's gonna go on each side. I got it started. Now, after you got your bolts on there nice and tight, you'll want to reconnect your water and make sure that that thing is on there snug and cut your water on. Even though put a little bit of caulk. Ah, shit. Now here I am applying a bead of caulking at the base of the toilet. Now you don't have to do this like I did, but in my opinion, it just looks classy. And that is it. Guys, if you like that video, then I got a real treat for you. So a lot of people have been reaching out to me saying, Michael, I'd really love to get into flipping mobile homes, but to be honest with you, I don't really want to buy a course or anything like that. I really want to just shadow somebody like you so that I can know that I'm not making mistakes. Well, you're gonna make mistakes, but here's the thing. So I have decided to host my first flipping mobile home workshop. 4 days, that's right. You're gonna be coming down here to the south. We're going to flip a mobile home together. We're gonna work on the roof, the floors, the plumbing, the design, all the paperwork. We're gonna be talking to park managers. We're gonna be talking to mobile home movers that I personally have worked with for years. You're gonna be staying at a hotel, and I'm also gonna take care of your transportation when you get here, so don't worry about that. Now, unfortunately, due to the potentially dangerous nature of a job site, I can only accept about 15 people for this. So spots are limited and they're filling up quick. So if you want to be a part of one of these people right here that's going to come down here for 4 days and flip an actual mobile home with me from start to finish, save the date. The workshop is going to be from July 30th to August 3rd. And in that time, we're going to get a lot of stuff done. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, click the link below. It'll take you to a page where you can get more information. There'll also be a sign-up form, and you'll hop on the phone with me where we can get you taken care of. So go on ahead and sign up, grab a tool belt, and I can't wait to meet you. See you next time here on Flipping Mobile Homes.